Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. In today's video, we'll discuss about while statements in Java. The while loop in Java allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specific condition is true. This is useful when you don't know in advance how many times you need to execute the loop. I will show you with an example. I have already created a class and there is a main method. So what I'll do is I'll say int count is equal to 1. Okay, now I'll write the while statement. Okay, so inside the while I need to pass the condition. So my condition is count less than 11. Then I want to print I'll increment the count. Okay, let's execute it. See, it has executed